extra virgin olive oil from California. Hi, I'm Sheila May, the founder and owner of Gourmet Living. Having lived in Italy, Greece, and Spain for almost 10 years, extra virgin olive oil became a welcome addition to my daily cooking. I have sampled hundreds of olive oils from around the world, mainly European. Sadly, much of the olive oil sold in the United States is deceptively labeled. Tired of poor quality olive oils, I decided to create my own brand. Our first olive oil was a delightful EVOO from California. It consists of 100% oil harvested from the Picual olive. This light but flavorful EVOO will add sparkle to your salads. I even use it to gently saute chicken and vegetables. If you are looking for an authentic and affordable olive oil, please consider Gourmet Living's exceptional California EVOO.